I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Antigravity CLI on Windows operating system. To download the software in Google search box right there, Antigravity, then go on this antigravity.google site. Let's click this. Then you can get this page here. You need to go on this product. Then after, let's click on this Antigravity CLI. Then you can get this the terminal first interact with Antigravity asset. Let's click on this install button. This are available for Mac, Linux, and for Windows. You can use this PowerShell and here command. So CMD you can also try there. So I'm going to use their PowerShell. So let's open their command prompt here using if I write the pw as such minus false. So you can see PowerShell 7.61 that already installed. So that here I'm going to copy this command. Then after let's open their PowerShell 7 and there you need to paste this command. HTTP Antigravity Google CLI install PS4. Press enter and wait for few second times. For this one, net should be there because this will start doing the download as well as install. Waiting few second times here, you can see running Antigravity CLI setup and here successfully added. The path that's added there, no need to add this path. And here you can get this AGY.CLI successfully. So no need to set the path. Thereafter, if I write there AGY minus person. Okay, so we need to restart this one. Okay, so what I'm trying to do, closing the PowerShell and open the PowerShell again. Now, if I write there AGY minus person again. So here, this time, this is displaying 100 version that install. If I write there AGY, so here you can see, welcome to Antigravity CLI. You're currently not signing. So first option that's so selected there. You can also try the second. So first, now press enter. And this is the URL. So copying this one. Now you can get this URL. You can paste this URL into the browser and get their code and start using the Antigravity CLI in your Windows operating system. So this is the way we can do here installation of Antigravity CLI on Windows. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next to it. Thank you.